Hi, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox all sorts of things. I also like to vlog vacations, and I also like to vlog and review restaurants around the world. Today I have for you another Rocksbox. So, and just before I get into this real quick, if you are curious as to what I am wearing on my face today, I am using, well, here, let me do this. So I am using this, and I am using Stark all over the lid, and I'm also using that as a blending color. I am using this color here that does not have a name. I am using that in the crease. And then I am using chocolate gold all over the lid. And for my mascara, I am using Lash Princess with a coat of Chanel on top. So that is what I'm wearing mostly on my face. Oh, and for my highlighter, I am using Ofra Rodeo Drive. I don't know if you can see my highlight on here or not. It's kind of blingy. And then on my lips, I am using the Appeal Lip Gloss. And just in case you're wondering what I'm using on my cheeks, I am using the Too Faced Perfect Flush Blush in Peach Beach. So, I mean, this is always generally my go-to blush, but that is kind of what I've got going on my face today, if you were curious. Okay, so to get into Rocksbox, this is a $21 a month subscription. I will link a playlist down below if you would like more information on this. And if you would like to try it for free, it is a jewelry subscription service. I will put my link down below. I will be canceling at the end of this month. So, you know, if you want to try it, you better get on it. But I will list a playlist down below. That way you can kind of get more information on it. It is a renting and buying service, so you have your sheet of paper, time to shine, and it tells you your products and the prices. Now, it is a dreary day here in Ohio, so I am using the light that blinds the shit out of me. So, you know, trying to figure out shadows and stuff like that is kind of annoying for me, but it is what it is. So we have the jewelry care card, and then we have the burrito of jewelry. Let's open this up. So let's see what we have. So here we have a piece from Kendra Scott, and it is the Kendra Scott Candace cuff in gold and silver, and it's just $75. So I'm going to pull this out. Oh, that's pretty. That would actually has a price tag on it. How are you supposed to rent it with a price tag on it? So that is actually cute. I like that. And I don't know, I might wear it out tonight. So this is the Ava Rose Cheyenne necklace in rose gold with rose gold druidsy. The retail price is $60 and the cost to me is $51. So it comes in plastic like this, and then you open it up, and that is just a really pretty piece. I don't know. It's kind of small to see it on me, and plus I'm already wearing jewelry. But there is that piece. I don't know. I like that. That's really pretty. I'll consider that. And then the last piece that we have is the Aster Reed ring in mother of pearl. And the retail price is $60 and the cost to me would be $51. And that looks like that. It's cute. I don't know if it's for me or not. I probably will not keep it, but I'm definitely going to consider this cuff bracelet and the necklace. So that is my Rocksbox for this week, I guess, because it's not really a month anymore. It's kind of, I've been getting them like once a week. So this is my Rocksbox for this week, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, and let's not forget Stitch Fix is hanging out back here. I'll be opening that sometime this weekend. So I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.